Hello guys. So today I'm gonna want to share with you my journey learning Python using project-based learning. Uh, hang there with me. First, my name is Usama. I'm newly graduated student with a degree of data science, masters in data science, and I'm in my path to learn more and more in Python. So I want to share with you my knowledge in Python and science and data science and all. So the first app that we will be developing, it will be a calculator based app. So we are gonna learn the all techniques of Python using this calculator app. So let's dive in our first video, which will explain a little bit about Python and why we are going to use Python. So, as you know, Python is created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. So, why we choose Python? We chose Python because it's a high level interpreted programming language. It supports multiple programming paradigms such as procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming, making it versatile and user-friendly. So it's free and open source language, easy to use, easy to read, object-oriented language, graphical user interface programming has graphical programming support, user interface support, high level language, easy to debug, portable, integrated language, and have a large library, the standard library. So here we explore some usage of Python. We have web development, desktop application, software development, education, database access, network programming, game development, and 3D graphics. Here in this course we are going to build a calculator application. So we are going to do some application development. Also, to speak about data science, if we say data science, we say Python. Why? Because it is the preferred language for data analysis and machine learning, and it is leveraging a massive amount of libraries of machine learning and data analysis. Even now, generative AI, and so. Finally, not finally, reason of popularity of Python, ease of learning. It is easy, very easy to learn Python, guys. It's very easy, and also it has large community support. It has strong community and extensive libraries contribute to Python rich ecosystem, provide ample resources for developers. For system compatibility, it is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Finally, Python is an interpreted programming language, meaning code is executed line by line at runtime, which simplifies debugging. It is not compiled, guys. It is consequently speedy language, but generally when we use it for a large application, it gets slower when it get compiled compared to compiled languages. Dynamic typing, Python has features dynamic typing, enhancing its flexibility through it can lead to runtime errors. So this was the introduction video, and in the next video we are going to start coding our first steps into our application, and we are gonna go step by step. Thank you.